The government lies to you. Banks steal from you. Inform yourself. Prepare for the revolution. Anonymous is not a group or an entity. Anonymous is an idea. Those who identify themselves with Anonymous share the common idea of freedom. We believe that there can be a world free of oppression. Anything that stands between the people and these freedoms is target to severe scrutiny and activism. Many misconceptions of Anonymous have been fed to you by the mainstream media and governments around the world. Be assured, we are here to help. We are here to stand up against those who violate your rights as a human being. Freedom of thought, speech, expression and the freedom to choose how live your life. Anonymous is not a group of hackers. We are a collective who associate with activists. The game has changed. Oppression and tyranny have become far too common in this world and we have risen to meet the challenge. Anonymous is everywhere. We are your neighbors, friends, colleagues, relatives. We are your mailmen, barbers, clerks and lawyers. In a world where corruption hides its face around every corner, Anonymous is there to meet it. The system is a tool to keep you oppressed and dependent. Anonymous is the key to your freedom. Join us as we carry out the plan. 1 year, 3 phases. Strengthen yourself. Become the resistance. Be part of a freedom movement. We are Anonymous, united as one. Divided by 0.